We're learning more about the plan for the former site of the American Hebrew Academy in Greensboro. Today, city and county leaders met with the federal government to discuss details.
Last month, we found out the facility will house unaccompanied migrant children. Today, we're getting a better look at when they'll arrive and what happens next.
WFMY News 2's Hunter Funk found out what leaders heard in today's meeting.
Yeah, the big question city and county leaders were asking, when will the children arrive? Well, today, the Department of Health and Human Services told leaders that it's probably not going to be until the end of the year. Now, County Commissioner Skip Alston says it's not their first rodeo. There are 200 other campuses like this around the U.S.
This is not a test case. This is something that they've learned from other people's mistakes, and we might be able to benefit from that knowledge. So I'm comfortable with it at this point. I want others to be comfortable with it also.
Alston says the feds tested this in other communities. City leaders learned that 1,500 people will work in and out of the facility. That won't come all at one time, but as the kids come in. The children will be ages 13 to 17, will only stay on the campus for 2 to 4 weeks. HHS will offer schooling, case management, legal services, mental and medical services for children at the facility. They are not allowed off the campus unless it's a medical emergency, and it will be an 8-to-1 staff to child ratio. Now, City Councilwoman Nancy Hoffman brought questions from the community like security and traffic concerns. The feds plan to come back with answers in the coming months. Hoffman says the meeting was reassuring.
Certainly left with the impression that they understood concerns and that those would definitely be addressed appropriately, and I think we can have good expectations in terms of the ultimate plan.
And HHS plans to keep the city and county involved in when the children will arrive.